Man, did you hear that dude last night? All night. I tell you what, that guy's got to sleep in the truck tonight.
I'm Dr. Tony Swallow. Visit us at snoregetthecamp.com so you don't have to be the guy that sleeps in the truck.